technically
about a friendship between
the
a
hardest
spider
challenge
and a
in
pig
Fortnite
named Wilbur.
I'm only gonna be doing the pear torch and the any kind of shotgun.
Your answers. The correct answer is Charlotte's Web.
So you're staying in 5th grade, but this girl graduated. This is 6th grade and
Tell me, write down in the comments if you want me to do more challenges like this on Fortnite.
He's coming! Maddie, why are we doing this again? We're helping Rebecca graduate! He's gonna have to be
Oh, and you guys, try and get me to at least 100 likes, please.
I think I heard Rebecca scream,
And subscribe, turn on, hit the bell, turn on notifications, and give me at least try and give me 200 likes, please, guys.
Where is everybody? The brownie hunter's coming. I can smell it. I gotta find everybody. We gotta figure out how to get this flag.
I still haven't had any luck finding the flag, but you know what? I'm gonna look in this tree.
It's the bounty hunter. I don't know if this is a good idea. I mean,
Dang it!
Where's the flag? Daniel!
Rebecca, what's going on, guys?
He's from the flag.
At least I tried,
It's too hard to get to the flag.
right?
Hey, he's guarding it. What do we do, you guys? I have to get the flag so I can graduate.
They gave us these backpacks for a reason. Have you looked at them?
No, I didn't at all.
I got stacks.
I have this a mirror.
That's kind of lame. What do you have, Matt?
It's nothing too crazy.
Rope.
Real. I have an idea. Matt, are you ready?
Let's do this. Yeah, I see you over there. I'm coming.
Hey, bounty hunter, over here! Cynthia, I was close. I thought the bounty hunter was gonna find me, but he didn't. And now I need to capture that flag. We're over here!
Find them now.
Hey, bounty hunter!
Oh yeah, sorry guys if you see if you hear anything in the background, that's just my brother watching TV.
Go! The flag! I found the flag!
Where's Maddie?
Sit down, Candy Cane.
There's something in here. What is it? I graduated 6th grade!
Oh guys, write down in the comments or what is your favorite shotgun? The drum shotgun, the Ranger shotgun, the Striker shotgun, or the auto shotgun? Please tell me in the comments. I think mine right now is the Ranger shotgun.
There they go.
I don't know why.
That proves that
'Cause it's
my
good for
experiment
long
is
range.
correct. There are no such thing as dancing raisins. This is how to make spell rocket wrong, but it's correct today. How to make a rocket at home. Well, today I have an Alka-Seltzer rocket. First, locate the Alka-Seltzer, which I just did. Boom! Then get a really cool container. I prefer M&Ms. Oh, there's still some M&Ms.
Here, I'll take some.
There's still M&Ms in this one too.
Oh.
All right, most people do one Alka-Seltzer.
I am gonna
Break them up, put them inside the little bottle. Once
I'll
they're
go,
in there,
but
it's the
I'm
most
just
important
gonna
part.
do-
This is a combustible item. I just wanted to make sure that you guys keep your distance.
I'm gonna
Pour
go
it in once
greasy.
fast, and then pop it right there. Now, just wait for the rocket. It didn't fly that high.
My science experiment is how to make slime. Now, what is slime? Slime is in between a liquid and a solid. And if you want to make slime, all you need is glue and activator. For me, I'm using Stay Glow as my activator. But that's not the experiment. I have made some slime right here. And with this slime, I'm going to attempt to make a giant slime bubble. What? I've made a giant slime bubble before, but it has been a while. If I don't do this, though, I can't graduate 7th grade. I'm going to have to bring a partner in to help me. So, Matt,
Really?
see if I'm smash the thumbs up right now. I really need to graduate 7th grade. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Pretty giant!
Good size.
I get my diploma, right? It looks like I'm the only one that graduated 7th grade, but that is okay because I'm the only one that has to.
Oh, watch out.
So, we are at our 8th grade dance, and in order to graduate, we have to do what all 8th graders do.
Spin the bottle. Let's do it.
There are 4 couple stairs in here.
I can use any. I can use how many shotguns
and
I
then we have to
want.
spin the bottle,
Two, guys.
find out our partner. What's
Dang,
the first?
3 shotguns.
Aggressive. Go there, Daniel. Partner dance.
Spin the bottle. Oh no. Okay. How long do we have to dance? Daniel, your hands are kind
Okay, we go like this. Okay. I think you guys are close enough. Okay, yeah, face first. See what awesome ones they get. Massage.
You're just trying to camp.
Massage. I have a my neck right here, so. Daniel, I have really strong hands. I hope Let's go for it. Yeah.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna use the thermal and then use the
I
charge.
can't help it. I'm really good at stars.
Why not? I never get a massage.
See them?
Else go!
Oh, no.
There's a 50% chance this could
I
be
think
kiss.
that kid that was
my.
up
Who are you
there
gonna
was.
kiss?
Were you gonna kiss, man?
Oh, I think the kid that was right there was the
Stroke
kid up
hands,
there that
stroke
was trying
hair.
to kill me.
Oh, come on. Oh, you guys are like really self-care.
Yeah.
Where is Harry's place?
Okay, who's left and what's left?
I'm the last one, which means I have to kiss someone here.
Can I leave the circle, please? Oh, yeah!
Okay, let's just get this over with, okay? Oh,
I'm waiting for this.
oh, oh.
How lucky you are, Rebecca.
Wow, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. That was the best.
I graduated middle school and now I'm in high school. This is awesome.
No, but we're freshmen. This is the worst.
In order to graduate freshman year, you just gotta make it to class. 95% of life is just showing up.
Great, I'm here. Let's do this.
It's not that easy.
Watch out, the senior bully, huh?
Which freshman am I throwing in the garbage can today?
Who's that?
That's Billy the bully. He's gonna make sure that freshmen don't make it to class.
So they go to detention.
We're gonna have to work together to make sure you make it. Okay, I'm gonna have to go first. Whatever happens, just make sure you get Rebecca to class, okay? Got this. Here we go. Come on, Billy. Hey, Billy. I got you. Oh, I gotta get my friend to class. Here we go. Ah!
Oh no, we have to help Daniel.
We have to get you to class. Come on, come on.
Hey, no, we have to help Daniel get to class. Guys, Daniel.
How's that
Where are these guys?
freshman?
Oh, Daniel.
There's 2 sets of stairs. You have to get both of them to get to the classroom.
You have to do it fast before
I only got one kill because that dude was trying to kill me.
this.
But he was technically low HP.
Spam sandwich from lunch? Wait, I'm gonna steal a lunch from a freshman. Yeah.
I think I'm gonna have to eat it.
What? No.
School's tough, but you have to graduate. I'm getting you to class.
No, you don't have to do that. He's gonna take your lunch.
Where do you think you're going, freshman?
I'm going to class.
Oh, you gotta get your diaper changed, freshman. Look what I got for you. A nice Spam sandwich. It's really good. Give me your lunch. That's your lunch now.
Oh no, poor Maddie. She's getting bullied.
I'm not worried about this. We gotta get you to class.
Can I help her? Oh,
I just need to
Everyone
find
is Spam. Your friends are trying to get to class. They don't know about the shortcut.
Oh no.
great. Now I can graduate 9th grade. What's Billy doing here?
He knows all the shortcuts here. Looks like the pulls on the door. You just have to get inside.
What's the plan?
I got this.
What?
Yeah, this is not gonna be good.
What are we doing?
Hey,
Sorry, guys, I'm
freshman,
not
you
talking
look
that much.
thirsty. There's some
But I'm
water
trying to
right
concentrate.
there.
He's having them drink
Oh,
water?
I
That's
see.
not bad.
Drink some water. Drink.
That's what I gotta go.
Let's go! He actually tried to get away.
That's great. I could not have done it without all of my friends helping me. This is 10th grade, and in order to
Oh, and I'm gonna use a
graduate,
sniper.
I take improv in my theater class.
I
Round
forgot
1
to
scenario.
mention
Your
that.
crush just told you he does not like you and you're sad about it.
What? This isn't fair. I'm so sad.
Round 2, you gotta keep the scene going, but you gotta do any emotion that we throw you. So now you're happy about it.
But you know what? It doesn't matter because there's so many other boys that love me.
Now you're evil.
You're Jimmy and I took care of him. And then there's Bobby and I've been spying on him.
Now you're in denial.
There's no way he doesn't like me. I mean, he doesn't.
Now you're over it. You're over it.
Doesn't matter because I'm good.
Round 3, now you need a partner.
Who's my partner?
New scenario.
He's your mailman and you don't like him, but he's a crush on you.
So let him down easy.
Hey,
Sorry, I was just delivering the mail.
this is the 5th time today.
You should read that one.
It says from your mailman.
Yeah, P.S. It's from me.
I have to tell you something.
I'll stand here while you open it.
Listen, I know you're the mailman, but
I am.
I actually have a letter for you. It's a restraining order.
I actually have a letter for you.
But the scene was done.
Hey, hurry! Prom is ending in 5 minutes!
And if you want to graduate 11th grade, you have to complete 3 challenges before that.
First up, punch bowl challenge. First find the orange Skittle wins. Let's go!
Oh, we have to scoop it and find it. No orange.
Nothing.
Oh man,
Where's the Skittle?
I don't see it yet, Tiffin. Hurry, you guys, we've come so far.
Wait, wait. Oh, Skittle!
We did it, okay, what's the next challenge?
Grab the toilet paper. Now we have to make a new prom dress for Rebecca. We're gonna use the toilet paper to go.
But I already have
better on the app.
Now it's time for the hardest thing yet, the SATs.
Vocabulary. These two people work together very well. They are
Only 3 kills.
correct. Root words. Anti.
Again,
Wait, how do I get a
Anti.
before.
Yes.
This is Mac Rebecca.
How does she
Less than 90 degrees.
rotate?
Angles more than 90 degrees.
No, the same angles.
This person's very trustworthy. They have
Loyalty.
integrity.
How am I gonna pass this?
You got this. Come on. Auto.
An individual.
I see them. They're built
Self.
that.
Yeah. Good. Maybe.
I don't know.
Good or well. You have
They're in
to
a
pass the
build
SAT
battle.
test or you won't graduate.
This is a lot of pressure.
I think I could probably third party.
It's just something that just goes across.
No, it is 2 points that extend opposite directions and never end.
That is so confusing. How am I gonna remember that?
Think about your love for Zany. It's like never ending, kind of like a circle. But then you just take the circle and you open it up and extend it, and then it just goes on forever.
It's infinite. Okay, I got this. I'm really nervous.
You just have to graduate.
Okay, Zam Fam, this is it. If I pass the SATs, that means that I graduate and I can finally keep my college degree. But if I don't,
What
all
the
that hard work
heck?
was for nothing. What are you guys doing?
I
Thought you
guess.
guys couldn't help me.
What?